how to fix NordVPN not connected. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, open up your computer search and search for VPN settings. Here, you just want to click on VPN settings and make sure allow VPN over metered networks is turned on, and also allow VPN while roaming is also turned on. This is going to be the first fix. The next fix which I recommend is going to be, checking your subscription status. You want to open up NordVPN, then click on your profile icon here in the top right and select account. Now, right here, you will see subscription. Make sure your subscription is active and that you have, a valid subscription. Next, you want to go into the general tab, and make sure this option, allow background processes, is turned on. If it's turned off, make sure it's turned on. And the very last suggestion which I have is to make sure you are signed into the correct account. So here you will see your email address. Make sure you are signed into the correct account, and also if there's a new version of NordVPN, make sure you update. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.